Once you are over settings, go ahead and press the X key. And once you're in the settings menu, you're gonna go down to power save settings. So as you see right here, I'm in power save settings. Go ahead and hit the X button. And then the setting you wanna look for is the set features available in rest mode. Go ahead and click the X button right here. And you wanna check the box right here where it says stay connected to the internet. And also you wanna enable turning on PS4 from network. You wanna check that box, turn it on as well. Once you check those two boxes, you can go ahead and go to the next setting we're gonna have to do. So you're gonna have to back out, press the O button, press the O button again. And now while you're in the settings menu, you're gonna wanna go down to system, which is the next one down. So go ahead and press the X button here. And you're gonna wanna go to the automatic downloads section here and go ahead and press the X button. So you wanna go right here where it says system software update files. Go ahead and check that box on. Go ahead and check the box for allow restart. And go ahead and check the box for application update files. So the first set of settings enable your PlayStation 4 to communicate with the internet while in rest mode. It's also going to allow your PlayStation 4 to be turned on so that it can download any games remotely when you send a signal from your smartphone using the PlayStation app on it. And the settings we just set up right now are going to enable automatic updates while the PlayStation 4 is in rest mode. And it's going to allow it to automatically restart if it requires it to do so. And finally, it's going to allow it to download any games or updates to games and install it automatically. This is going to save you a lot of time. Oftentimes you make plans to play with your friends at night, but when you get home, you find out that there's a huge update for the game and you have to wait like 20-30 minutes depending on your download speed. And you have to wait around while your friends are playing without you, which is really frustrating. All right, so now the very important part is that when you shut down your PlayStation 4, you're gonna put it in rest mode and not turn it off completely. This is important because if it's not in rest mode, you're not gonna be able to download and install games remotely from the PlayStation app on your smartphone. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. So go back all the way and you see this power button all the way at the end. You're gonna wanna go to it, hit the X button, and you can see here the default is to enter rest mode, but if you go to power options, you could turn off or restart your PS4, but the one you want is enter rest mode. And again, like I mentioned before, you need to make sure that from now on, you set your PS4 to rest mode. Don't worry, your PlayStation 4 is not gonna use up a lot of power. It just has a little bit of power just to be able to check for updates and stuff like that. Remember, always go into rest mode. Don't completely turn off your PS4 if you wanna be able to download and install games remotely. Okay, so now for the good part, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what you need to do on your smartphone, whether it be an Apple iPhone or an Android device. You should be able to do this with either one now that you have the right settings on your PlayStation 4. So go ahead and go to search and search for the PlayStation app. And as we see here, it's the first one here. And if you don't have it installed already, go ahead and click download. Otherwise, go ahead and click open like I'm gonna do here. All right, now that you're on the PlayStation app, you're gonna wanna hit that blue PlayStation button right in the middle. And then we're gonna wanna go ahead and go to the PlayStation Store. So now we're gonna search for a game that I don't already have installed. Let's search for a free-to-play game like Warframe. And as you see here, we can go ahead and try the demo. But before we go ahead and do this, just to show you guys that it works, I'm gonna go ahead and put my PlayStation 4 in rest mode. We're gonna see if it actually works, if it's gonna go ahead and turn on my PlayStation 4 and install the game. So right now I'm actually home and I'm gonna go ahead and put my PlayStation 4 in rest mode. So again, you go to power and go ahead and enter rest mode. Okay, so right now it's in rest mode and I'm gonna go ahead and click on try free demo. And I'm gonna go ahead and confirm the purchase, rest mode. All right, now that it's been downloading for a little while, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the PlayStation 4. And then I'm gonna go and check my notifications and see if it's downloading. And we see here that it's actually downloading the game Warframe. Again, it wasn't there before I did this.